Hello, I am Dulundhar and welcome to another episode of Simple Learning. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Oxford comma, that is also known as serial comma. We all know about the comma. It is the shortest and most frequently used of all punctuation marks. But in this video, we are going to learn about what is the Oxford or serial comma, how to use it, and why it is important to use it. You won't get a chance to learn about this topic in your regular grammar book. So, without wasting time, let's start and watch the video till the end. Now, introduce yourself to the serial comma or Oxford comma. But before that, please go through a sentence. I am going to visit my grandparents, a baker and a journalist. Carefully notice that after reading this sentence, most people would like to understand that I am going to meet two people, my grandparents, who are a baker and a journalist. But if I put a comma after baker, it would provide the distinction between persons in the list. And then it would mean that I am going to visit four people, my grandparents, a baker, and a journalist. And the comma that I used before the conjunction and is known as Oxford comma or serial comma. So Oxford comma or the serial comma is the final comma in a list of persons or things to avoid any confusion or ambiguity. For example, if I say, I love my children, Harry Potter and Humpty Dumpty. Now, if you were reading this sentence, it is not clear that I am talking about my children and the Harry Potter and Humpty Dumpty. It is written as though my children are Harry Potter and Humpty Dumpty, because without the Oxford comma, Harry Potter and Humpty Dumpty seem to be the names of my children. So, to clear up any confusion and ambiguity, I am to use the Oxford comma because it makes it clear that I am talking about my children and Harry Potter and Humpty Dumpty, three separate groups. So, the correct way to punctuate this sentence is I love my children, comma, Harry Potter, comma, and Humpty Dumpty. Therefore, you see that in such cases, Oxford comma is very important to make the sense clear. Now, the next question is the serial comma or Oxford comma always required? Well, look at these examples. Number 1, my friend bought biscuits, cakes and milk. Number 2, make sure that he doesn't eat any nuts, bread and beans. Number 3, I am going to study grammar, geography and history. Look, in these cases, we have not used the Oxford or serial comma and there is no confusion or ambiguity here. So you yourself can understand that the Oxford comma is both grammatically correct and often grammatically unnecessary at the same time. Generally, it is unnecessary for most simple lists, but in some cases, it clears up ambiguity in a sentence. Okay, so it's very easy to use Oxford comma and it does help make things clear when we use it. Now let's have a look at the fun facts related to the Oxford comma or the serial comma. Number 1. What does the Oxford comma or the serial comma look like? Very simple. The Oxford comma or the serial comma looks like a regular comma like this. Number 2. Why this comma is known as serial comma or Oxford comma? The comma is called serial comma as it is placed in a series of 3 or more items. And it is also known as Oxford comma as Peter Sutcliffe used the term in his book The Oxford University Press, an Informal History that was published in 1978. Besides, Oxford University Press promoted it at a time when newspapers routinely omitted it to save line space. Next, number 3. Which countries use serial comma or Oxford comma? Actually, to use the serial comma is typically a personal choice. The United States topped the chart of Oxford or serial comma lovers. According to Google Trends, the top 5 places that are most interested in Oxford comma are the United States, the Philippines, Canada, Singapore, and the United Kingdom. So, this is all about the Oxford comma, serial comma, and I hope after watching this video, you would use it confidently and correctly to clear up any ambiguity or confusion in a sentence. If you find this episode helpful, like, comment and share the video with your friends, and surely subscribe the channel so that you never miss out any new video of Simple Learning. Thank you.